Ever wondered how to build a professional website for your local business without breaking a sweat or the bank? Today, I'm going to introduce you to a game changer, Mighty Sites, the AI-powered website builder designed just for you. Stick around and I'll show you how it's done. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a local business owner who's been thinking about getting a website up and running, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about a platform that's going to help you generate a professional website. It's called the Mighty Sites Website Builder, and it's an AI-powered tool that's designed with local businesses in mind. So without further ado, let's get started. First, head over to the Mighty Sites website. As soon as you enter the name and category of your business, the magic starts. Mighty Sites uses AI technology to automatically generate a simple yet professional website tailored specifically to your business. In a matter of seconds, the AI creates a custom site. What makes Mighty Sites so special, you ask? Well, let's dive deeper. The easy-to-use website editor is a game changer. You can tweak your website to perfection, even without any coding. From changing the color themes to uploading your brand's logo, you have complete control over adding the content to your website. Not only that, but Mighty Sites also provides pre-written website copy, carefully crafted to engage and convert your visitors. And if you have specific wording in mind, you can effortlessly edit the copy. The tool also comes with a gallery of pre-selected images suitable for your business type. You can choose from these, or if you want a more personal touch, you can upload your own images or even connect your Instagram to share your photos. And perhaps my favorite part, the lead generation form. This tool not only helps to build a stunning website, but it also focuses on driving leads for your business. The automatically created form collects your visitors' information, turning potential customers into leads for your business. So you see, creating a professional website for your local business couldn't be easier than with Mighty Sites. It's a user-friendly editor with pre-written copy, curated images, and a lead generation form. All of these are geared towards making your online presence strong and your business boom. That's all for today. We've seen how Mighty Sites takes the hassle out of website creation for local businesses, making it possible for anyone to have a simple, professional online presence. Remember, a strong website can greatly impact your business, so go ahead and give Mighty Sites a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button in the video if it helped you and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lead generation video for your local business.